Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by sizing the problem. Run a disk analyzer and identify biggest folders so you focus effort where it counts. Once done, back up essential files to an external drive or cloud to prevent accidental loss, and make sure backup's complete before deleting. Then close running apps and pause syncing services. This prevents locked files and reduces write churn. Start with temporary files and downloads. These are safe wins, and delete selectively rather than sweeping everything at once to avoid breaking programs. You now tackle the deeper layers. Uninstall apps you no longer use, and manually inspect program files and user folders for leftovers to remove. Next, clear browser caches, application temp folders, and old system restore points. Consider deleting the hibernation file if you do not use sleep. Once done, relocate large media or project archives to an external drive or compress infrequently accessed files to save space. Make sure to reboot after major changes so the system recalculates free space correctly. You finish by running the system disk cleanup tool and then optimize performance. Defragment HDDs or ensure trim is enabled on SSDs. After that, verify reclaimed space, run a full antivirus scan, and re-enable sync services so everything resumes normal operation. If you encounter missing files or instability, stop and restore from your backup. Otherwise, run a disk check utility to repair file system errors. Finally, document which large items you removed so you can repeat this maintenance on a schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.